In this tutorial, we will explore what dropshipping is, how we can enable it in Odoo 19, and understand it through a real-world business scenario. So let's start by understanding what dropshipping is. Dropshipping is a way of fulfilling customer orders without keeping products in your own inventory. In a traditional business model, a seller buys products from a supplier, stores them in a warehouse, and then ships them to the customer after receiving an order. With dropshipping, this process works differently. When a customer places an order, the seller forwards that order to the supplier, and the supplier ships the product directly to the customer. The seller never handles or stores the product. This approach helps businesses reduce costs related to inventory, warehousing, and storage. Since products are shipped directly from the suppliers, the seller can focus more on sales and customer service instead of managing stock and logistics. Let me try to simplify it further with an example. Imagine you run an online store and sell mobile accessories. A customer places an order for a power bank on your website, but instead of keeping that power bank in your own warehouse, you forward the order to your supplier, and the supplier ships the product directly to the customer. This business model is called dropshipping. So now let's see how we can enable the dropship and how it can be useful in our business. So let us move first to the purchase app. Under purchase, click on configuration and then navigate to setting. Under setting, we can find out this dropshipping. This should be enabled. Request your vendor to deliver to your customer. So after enabling this, we can navigate to the product, find out any product, what product we can pick for this. Let us choose any product. Customize cabinet matrix. This product we can select. Open this product and go to the inventory tab. Under operation, under route, we can enable this dropship. After enabling this, go to the purchase app, add a vendor so that whenever you get any order from your customer, you can place an order to your supplier, to your vendor. So add that supplier here. Whenever you place a sales order, a automated RFQ will be generated. So let us add a vendor here, and this vendor could be this one. Quantity is 1, unit price is 190.50. So we configured all the things whatever required for the dropshipping. After configuring all of these, let us go back to the sales. Click on new. Place an order for the Gemini furniture for this customized cabinet. Once I place this order, a purchase order has been created here. Usually what happens, once we place a sales order, a delivery note will be created. But in this case, we get this purchase order. So navigate to this purchase order and see the order line here. For one quantity, 190.50 is the price and tax is applied. You can see here delivered to is dropship. Delivery address is Gemini Furniture. Who is Gemini Furniture here? Gemini Furniture is the customer. So see here, Gemini Furniture delivery address has been added to this PO. Now after verifying all these data, we can confirm this. Once we confirm this, we can find out instead of receipt, we get here dropship. Usually what happens, once we confirm any purchase order, we find receipt against it. but here we find dropship. Navigate to the dropship and see the differences here. What is the source location here? Source location is the vendor location. What is the destination location? It is the customer location. It means the product is going directly from the vendor to the customer. After validating all the information, you can click and validate it. Once you validate and check your sales order, you can find out one quantity is delivered that was supposed to deliver. Now you can create an invoice for it. Confirm it. Go back. You can see one quantity is invoiced. So this is how it works. Once you place a sales order, once you add a sales order, against that a RFQ will be created, and after checking, validating all the data of the RFQ, you can confirm that and create a purchase order. Against that purchase order, a dropship will be created and you can validate that dropship once product will be received at the customer end, and you can create an invoice for your customer. So this is how this dropshipping works in your businesses. You can use this for the dropshipping.